Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I will be reviewing the Rolex Lady Datejust 28mm reference 279138 RBR in yellow gold with a diamond bezel and a mother of pearl diamond dial. I will tell you a little bit about the history of the Datejust, then tell you about where this watch stands in the lineup of other similar Datejusts, then tell you about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with the history of the Datejust. Well, Rolex came about in the early 1900s. I want to say 1908 or 1905 or something like that. And in 1945, right at the end of the war, Second War, Rolex came out with a Datejust. They called it the Oyster Perpetual Datejust. Why? Because it had the date 1 through 31. And why Oyster? Because it was waterproof. And at the time, a watch being waterproof was a big deal. In fact, they patented the screw down case back and the winding crown so that the watch would stay totally impermeable to water. That means you screw down the case back and you screw down the crown and water can no longer enter the watch, which makes the watch effectively waterproof. Okay, so that was when they came up with the Datejust, and since has gone on to be their most famous line, most iconic line, most popular line, and pretty much it has gone on to make thousands, literally, of variations. Okay, so that's a little bit about the history. Now, of course, since 1945, it's now 2025, so that's more than 80 years, the Datejust has been around, so you can imagine how many different variations there are. All right, well, where does this watch stand in the lineup of other similar Datejusts? Now that we're moving on to the next topic, well, the Datejust comes in three sizes for ladies, size 28, 31, and 36. What you're looking at is the smallest of the size 28. And then they also make men's sizes, but we're worrying about ladies' sizes here. So, and in size 28 for ladies, they make it in every material you could imagine. Steel and white gold, steel and yellow gold, steel and rose gold, all yellow gold, all white gold, all rose gold, etc. They make it in every variation, with diamonds, without diamonds, different dial markers, etc. There's got to be literally hundreds of variations of the Datejust 28. The one that you're looking at here is pretty much the top of the line. Now, why do I say that? Well, it's made in precious metal, yellow gold. Second, it has the full diamond bezel, and then it has a mother of pearl and diamond dial. So it's fully decked out. This is the top of the line Lady Datejust. Okay, so with that said, let's start talking about the watch, starting with the case. The case is 28 millimeters. That's my thumb to my index finger. It's the smallest size that Rolex currently offers. Now, Rolex used to offer a size 26, but it proved to be too hard to read. So who might benefit from a size 28 millimeter? Well, those women who have smaller wrists. But recently, watches that are small are coming back into fashion. Take a look at the Audemars Piguet Mini. They made a Mini, which is really small, and the watches that are small make it look more feminine on female wrists, and it look more sleek in many ways. So there you have it. Who might be able to benefit from a size 28 was just my suggestion, but those who have a wrist size between 5 and 6 inches. Those who have larger can go with a 31, and those who have, let's say you have 7-inch or larger, could even go with 36. But if you have a wrist size that's under 6 inches, then I suggest you do a size 28. Why? Because this is the right size for you. You should have about 70 to 80% of the head, and the rest should be the bracelet. And that is usually the case with those women who have wrist sizes of 6 inches or smaller. Okay, now with that said, let's move on. This entire watch is made of yellow gold, including the case that I just told you about. The bezel, of course, here is diamond Now, Rolex makes this the bezel also in fluted bezel, but that's not what we're looking at here. The diamond bezel is a fully loaded version of the Lady Datejust 28. And you can expect that the diamonds are all done to perfection. They are decolor, internally flawless, beautiful natural stones that Rolex has their gem setter set by hand, so that every orientation of the diamond is set to perfection, so that in the end you have the right regularity, the position, the strength, the proportion. Every part of it is done such that the end result is a sparkling symphony to enhance the watch and enchant the wearer. Quite a statement of what the bezel can do to a watch. Let's move on to the dial here. Now, the dial is also very special. It has a mother of pearl, abbreviated MOP. Now, mother of pearl is by its nature full of mystery and surprises. Depending on its origin, it can be pink, white, black, yellow. It has different colors, intensities, depending on the structure of the part of the shell that it was extracted from. And Rolex does not use artificially colored or they use natural pearl, and that's why they all look slightly different. They're all unique in a way, and they'll never be the same. One will never be the same as the other. It's a natural pearl. Okay, and then on top of that, they also put the diamond dial on it. So again, perfect diamonds. They've done everything that you could possibly do to it. Put a natural mother of pearl, put a diamond in the watch, and they made the entire thing out of yellow gold. I mean, this watch is perfection. Okay, that's the dial. Now let's move on to the bracelet. Interestingly, Rolex comes out with two bracelets for this watch. They come out with a Jubilee, or they come out with a President bracelet. The President is what you see here. I would say that the President is probably the more popular of the two, because President bracelets are only found on precious metal watches. So like their day date or their Datejust with precious metals. But the Jubilee can be found on any pretty much any Datejust. So I would say the President is a bit nicer. Jubilee probably fits a little bit better, but I would say that President is a bit nicer. What marks a President bracelet is 3 semicircular links across, high polish down the center, brushed down the finish. There is no comfort extension on either the Jubilee or the President, but I'm not so sure you need one if the wrist size is this small. So anyways, that is the bracelet. It has a beautiful buckle, and yeah, it's a nice bracelet. Let's move on to the movement here. The movement is a 2236 movement. It has a power reserve of 55 hours. Not much to say given that you can't see it. It works well. It does what it's supposed to do. So there you have it. Okay, time for me to try this watch on my wrist. Now, I'm a man. This is for a woman. Probably those who are watching this is buying it for a woman or a woman themselves. It's a fantastic watch, and small watches are making a comeback. They are watches that people used to overlook, but now people are actually, instead of going for 31, they're going for 28s. Why? As I just said, it makes the wearer look more feminine with a small watch. And I would definitely suggest it for those who, one, have the budget for this, two, want the best of the best, and three, have a wrist size of under 6 inches. So with that all said, look, if you want to buy this watch at the lowest price anywhere online, please click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in jazz time, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.